Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to stretch your twist outs, braid outs. You can do the same routine on braid outs, but today I have my hair twisted. It's semi-dry. I did it about an hour ago. Everyone wants to have a twist out that's pretty good in length because you know that, look at this. Twist outs are, braid outs are known for shrinkage, for my hair being down here and it's shrinking to all the way up here. So if you want to know how to stretch your twist out or braid out, then keep on watching. So the first thing that you're going to need is a bunch of bobby pins. You need. So what we're gonna do with the bobby pins is like wait or make sure that your hair is at least a little over 50% dry. The top of my hair is more wet than it is at the bottom, which is great because what I'm gonna do with it is gonna allow it to move. When it's dry, when it's more on the wet side, when you put the bobby pins in your hair, it can leave dents in your hair. So now with my hair being dry, it's not going to really dent the curl or cause like a little wave in it. I'm gonna take, I'll start with these three. I'm gonna take these three right here. I'm gonna grab a bobby pin. I'm gonna grab one of the biggest bobby pins I have. It doesn't matter what size you have, but I'm gonna grab this one for the back. I'm gonna take the bobby pin. So I'm gonna take this and I'm going to wrap it around. So I wrapped the hair all the way around the side of my head. I'm gonna lift up each twist, and as far as it can stretch is as far as you're gonna let it go. So I take the bobby pin. Like I said, it doesn't matter what size as long as you have bobby pins, and I just pin it. You're probably gonna need more than one, a few bobby pins. So this is how it looks. I'll show you the back. You can see it being stretched all the way to this side. And what you want to do is, it's like wrapping your hair, right? You want to continue just wrapping it around in a circle. So I'm going to show you again on how I continue wrapping it. And bring it around. I got the two that I'm going to bring to the front, and you want to make sure that it's going under. You don't want to like pin it on top of another twist or braid. So I got this one is going actually pretty far. So it's going on to the other side of my hair. So I got it right here, right here. I use two to secure it. You can use how many you want to secure it. I'm gonna use two. And you can see it right here. So I'm going to continue that pattern and just show you how to wrap it all the way around. So for the next side, I'm going to take, I think I could take all, but I'm going to start with just two at a time. Alright, so now I have this side, right? Alright, so I'm actually going to stay in the direction. So this side is gonna come, it's just gonna follow the pattern. Alright y'all, so now I am finished wrapping my twist out. As you can see, this is how it's looking. Since we're on quarantine and I don't really have anywhere to go, I don't have to really rush to go dry it. So what I'm gonna do is let this sit like this all day. Tomorrow I'll come back and take it out for you guys to see what it looks like. As of right now, I can already feel the stretching of it just from like pulling on my scalp. But I have tried this method a few times before and it has elongated my twist out for real, okay? So tomorrow I'll show you what it looks like and the difference of stretching your twist out rather than having it shrink. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's the next day and I'm going to take off this head wrap and see what it's looking at. So the pins were a little tight, just a little tight, but I'm pretty excited to show you guys what this looks like. I haven't done this stretching method in a long time, so I'm pretty nervous. So, as you can see, the twist out is extremely stretched. This one probably could have been stretched more because I don't know if you could tell. These up here in the front are more stretched, but this one right here is a little shrink. It didn't really get that much of stretch. But look how long my twist out is right now. See the difference in length, and that when I take the twist out, it's not going to give the yeah, definitely is not going to shrink back up. So I'm just gonna untwist it really fast. Before I even unravel it anymore, bruh, my twist out is coming. I mean, my hair is longer than this, you can see it, but like my twist out never came past my shoulders. If you watch a previous video, you can see that when I usually do a twist out, you know, like it shrinks to like above here, but back here it really got to shrinking. I don't think it got a chance to really stretch, but that's okay. I really like the length that was retained. I think I'm definitely gonna be using this method more. Definitely. Overall, high key, but I think all I gotta do is really get to fluffing, because I like volume. I still like my hair to be big, still like it to be a little wild. That's just a preference of mine. But compared to what it looked like before, I love it. I love the length. It doesn't make me look bald-headed, and preferably I like when my hair looks longer. This is the shortest my hair has ever been in my life, and it's a hard adjustment for me. It's hard to see my hair so short, but I'm really grateful that I do have hair. Oh yeah, those pins were tight. I love it, y'all. You can still see the curls to it. It looks a little wavy in sections, but overall my hair is extremely moisturized. I would not lie to you about that. My hair feels extremely moisturized. So yeah, give this video a try. If you want to retain length in your braid out or twist out, whatever the case may be, I highly recommend it. But you can let me know if this is something that you think it will work for you or you probably would not try it. But either way, I do suggest you try it, okay? Especially if you want to see some length in your twist outs, okay? All right. Click in this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment below what other videos you would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.